Today's lunch will be Uno pizza, chili with biscuit, chicken Caesar wrap, broccoli soup with crackers, golden corn, tater tots, and fresh fruit with a pear cup.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
As you know, yesterday was 9/11. It's Patriot Day, and before we start this moment of silence, Danny is going to read a poem written by Mrs. Salyer in honor of the Freedom Flag and Patriot Day.
The Freedom Flag. Our American flag has flown proudly for many years, and now we honor another flag due to the shedding of many tears. It is our state's symbol of remembrance and our way to ensure that 9/11 will never be forgotten, yet embedded in our hearts forevermore. The colors we all know as red, white, and blue remind us how on that day we were Americans through and through. The freedom flag we now honor on this very special day, symbolizing the tragedy much greater than words can say. The blue signifies Americans united, as we all rallied on that day. The white star, all who have lived and died for freedom, our loved ones now taken away. The Pentagon remaining strong, shaped by the 5 white bars we see, along with all other forms of protection created for you and me. The red, oh so sad, now part of our history, mirrors the bloodshed of those who perished, now forever a part of our memories. The top red stripe, the Pentagon and Flight 77, the bottom red stripe, Flight 93 in Pennsylvania, the 2 broad red stripes, the Twin Towers, and the bloodshed of all those who perished at the World Trade Center and on Flights 11 and 175. The 3 white stripes, the rescue workers, firefighters, police officers, Port Authority employees, and others who worked tirelessly during and after the terrorist attacks. So let us never forget in all we do and say, as we honor the victims and heroes of 9/11 on this day, on this Patriot Day, on each and every day.
Thank you. And now moving on into our announcements for the day, we have a short Chromebook lesson that Mr. Fisher has prepared for you.
Changing your Google password is pretty easy. Click on your profile picture on the screen, My Account. Click on Sign In and Security. Scroll down on the next page until you see password. Click on that. You will have to type in your old password. Type in the new password you would choose to use 2 times. And you click on Change Password. At that point, you'll see a brief message at the top of the screen saying your password has been changed.
Okay, so going quickly through the rest of our announcements, FCCLA invites you to lunchtime likes all this week, and so during your lunch period, bring your device.
Underclassmen pictures tomorrow and Wednesday during your social studies classes.
The military visit, the Navy will be here at 11 a.m. tomorrow.
A scholarship is being offered, and if you meet the criteria below, then you are qualified.
You can see the guidance department. Also, Senior Parent Night is Thursday, September 15th at 6:30 p.m. in the auditorium. Seniors, make sure that you attend. There's lots of important information about caps, gowns, announcements, graduation requirements, all of that good stuff. So we hope to see you at that meeting.
Behind the Wheel classes offered year-round at Jowl J. Howard. Classes begin on September 19th. And have a great day.